Let's find your center. Begin with shaking. Shaking the wrists, arms, bouncing into the heels. Using this shake to clear tension from the body. All the places we're holding stiffness and stagnation in the muscles, in the lymph, in the blood, in the qi. Breathe in your nose. And sigh out your mouth. As you shake, clear that stress from the nervous system. Help anything stagnant or stuck in the body to move and circulate. In the nose. Out the mouth. Some long breaths. We'll slow down that shake, pause, feel the body. And we'll go into some slow moving meditations to find our center, beginning with raising and lowering the qi. We inhale. Exhale as we press slowly down. Inhale, drawing up to the chest, raising onto the tiptoes. And exhale, slowly press down. Inhale, drawing up. And exhale, down. Then embracing the world, we exhale, float the hands around and forward, and inhale, draw towards the lower dantian, centering our qi at the lower abdomen. Exhale, hands around and forward. Inhale, draw towards the lower abdomen. Now all the breathing is through the nose, breathing out the nose, hips gliding back, and in the nose, hips neutral. Then the reverse motion, palms face down, pebble in the pond, the hands float forward and out. Inhale as we gather around and into the dantian. Palms face down, exhale like ripples on a pond, going forward, around. Inhale back to your dantian. Hips glide back as the hands go out. Hips neutral as the hands come in. Then holding a qi ball, we inhale, the ball grows. And exhale, compress the ball right in front of your dantian. The space between your navel and your pelvis. This is the place where we anchor our qi into the body to help calm and quiet the mind, bring focus and tranquility. We'll further bring the qi down, inhaling the hands up. And exhale, scanning the body from the head through the neck, chest, belly and waist, pelvis, legs, and feet. Again, inhale, hands up. And exhale, guiding the hands downwards with our hands and our attention, scanning downwards through the body. All breath through the nose. Then take both palms face up underneath the dantian. We'll inhale, one hand circling around, and exhale down the center line of the body, back beneath the lower dantian. Other hand, inhale, circle. Exhale down the center line to the lower dantian. And this next variation, as the hand comes down the center line, the bottom hand will start to float up the center line. They'll press away from each other towards heaven and earth, and then circle wide. And then again, coming up and down the center line in this Daoist prayer position. We'll inhale as we expand towards heaven and earth, circling. And exhale as we go up and down the center line. Inhale, expand and circle. Stand a little taller. And exhale, sink as we come through the center. This time pausing at the dantian and the heart in the Daoist prayer posture. Connecting the energy of mind and emotion from the heart with the energy of the body at the lower dantian. We'll then reverse, switching which hand's going up and down, circling around, and coming up and down once more through the center. We'll inhale as we expand towards heaven and earth, circling around, standing tall. And exhale, sink as we come back through the center. It's like we reach out, gather our energies that have become scattered, and bring them back to our center, where they can consolidate and become more powerful. We'll then pause once more, connecting the heart-mind with the body-mind of the dantian. Creating stability and peace in the heart. Stepping our feet in close together, bring both hands over the dantian and relax into bamboo in the wind. Allowing your body to rock and sway like a tree moving with a gentle breeze. Relaxing as much of your body as you can and letting your breath be natural. Slowly step out. Circle the belly clockwise, up the right and down the left. Taking some deep abdominal breaths to further center our energy. Great sage Lao Tzu said, "In the center of your being, you know who you are and what you want." So finding our center, we connect with our true purpose and our gut instincts. Let's let that release with a sigh whenever you're ready. Take that centeredness into a beautiful day or evening. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe or head to my website, nickloffree.com, for my free Foundations of Qigong e-course, or to learn more about my teacher training program, retreats, or other online courses. See you next time.